We reached the ceiling. I had a feeling from the beginning.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good one. I'm heading to Houston. I'm going to see my best friend. It's her birthday this week. Well, Monday's her birthday, but we're celebrating this weekend. I look a little bit crazy, but that's because I need to get my shit together. But I'm hungry. Oh, this door does open. I have to get myself something to eat because I'm extremely hungry and I haven't eaten anything all morning and I have the worst headache. So I need to find out where my C105. But I need to find a Starbucks first. That's what I want. Starbucks. Y'all, I had to take a picture. I look fucking crazy. Hi. This is my first time, yes. Okay. Robert just helped me.
Oh, okay. That's perfect. And to see your boarding pass, I like your nails.
Thank you.
Yes, your whole look.
Thank you. Perfect. I picked the wrong shoes to wear to the airport because these, they're hard to put on. Like they're.
You a vlogger? You're vlogging?
Yeah.
Okay.
You, my ID or my boarding pass? Oh, sorry.
You're good.
Can you see it on my phone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, great. Because I'm like, that's easier.
Go ahead, man. Welcome.
Thank you. What's your name?
Jalen
and Jade. Thank you so much. I probably won't be able to talk much on the flight because I'm probably going to go to sleep, but I want to get some footage of the takeoff. My best friend's going to be so excited. This is my first time going to Houston, so let's see how that goes. Everyone that I've spoken to or that's seen my story has said that Texas is fun, so we'll see how that turns out. But I'm excited, guys. I'm finally happy to be sitting down because I'm sweating like no one's business. So the next time you guys will see me, I'll be in Houston. Your girl has landed in Houston. Here we go. The flight extremely uncomfortable. I'm definitely upgrading my seat when I'm coming back because outrageous. I don't know if they made the seats smaller. I haven't traveled in like over a year, but Jesus Christ. And my contact is fucking with me so bad. I don't understand. But I'm trying to get an Uber now to the hotel. This is the address. We have made it to Le Hotel. The traffic was ridiculous, but I just know that when I leave, I have to leave an hour early because the traffic was just outrageous. And my contacts are drying out from the air, but we are in Houston. I'm so excited. Like, you guys, I'm about to be at H-Town Hottie this weekend, and hopefully I can, when I get in the room, I'll be able to do my hair because they got Fox News playing. I don't like that, but yeah. I'm so sore. I think I was telling you guys that I was so sore on the plane because we were so crowded. I think that they changed the alignment of the planes because there's no way that the seats were that close together. And I know I haven't been on a flight in over a year, but there's just no way like that we were that bunched together. And my knees feel like they were just on fire the entire time. When I fly back, I'm gonna have to update my flight or upgrade my flight because I can't sit in that. I have to be able to stretch my legs out or something. that'll probably pretty much be it for me until Deja gets here. She's on the road right now. She's on the road and she'll be here. Her and Kiama will be here probably in the next 40 minutes or so. Okay, y'all, so I'm back in the room and let me just show y'all what I got real quick. The lady didn't give me a fork, but the room comes with forks, so hang on. I got broccoli and string beans, some mashed potatoes, carne asada, and there's some macaroni at the bottom, just a little bit. And I got this lollipop in the cherry vanilla flavor because sparkling tonic, 5 grams of sugar per can, because I really love anything cherry vanilla in it. Is that my bestie? Is that my bestie? Is that my bestie? Hi, how are you? Let me have you too, girl. Hello. I was all sweating. I'm like, oh, my camera battery's dying. I think I got my other one charged. Did I bring my other camera battery? I'm pretty sure I fucking did not. What? Oh, I have to check my bag for my camera battery. If I didn't, I'm gonna be vlogging the rest of the way on my phone. Yeah. Well, let me taste how. See how this tastes. Oh God, I made it. That's actually really good. I think today I left my camera battery at home, so I am strictly filming on my phone right now. We may find like a universal battery charger, but until then, I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna be filming on this. The quality's good, so it doesn't matter. This is my outfit for the day. My outfit for the day. I'm excited. Look at us. Yeah. We're probably gonna find like some type of brunch spot. And then we have dinner tonight. So we'll show you our outfits later tonight. You wanna see? Look at her. Ooh.
Yes. Do a spin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give it
right off the back, I'm a Mac. We can get it poppin', we can get it crackin'. And if your man is whack, and if he lack what I pack, then I will make you.
watching Crystal do.
Hey. I gotta blow my candle on camera too?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Let me make a wish. Woo! Happy birthday!
I'ma kick it off like this. I ain't come for a hug, head straight for a kiss. Don't come for my face, cause I'm talking about my I'ma need all of my kisses down there. One hand on my neck, one pulling on my hair. Hold up, I'ma tell you everything I want from you. But if it's real, then you know what you're supposed to do. But it's cool, cause I like to be the king of the new. Control that dick like a bop it. 5 minutes in and he begging me to stop it. Oh, all that shit he was talking, cool. How many licks did it take? 2. Now that's a bad, bad motherfucker. A real hot girl, so these niggas can't touch her.
We had a time last night, y'all. Like, I didn't even get to vlog past Nomad because we went to dinner at Steak 48, which was really, really good. You can hear my voice. Steak 48 was really, really good. And we then we went to this spot called O2 Lounge, which was really, the music was really nice, but the we didn't have a section and it was already way too packed, and we didn't want to stand there anymore. Plus it was like 2 o'clock, they were leaving anyway. So we went outside. We went to this other place, this after hours spot called Liquid Lounge. My friend Charisma, who lives here, she was like, yeah, I recommend let's go to Liquid Lounge. I was like, cool. So we went and we had a time last night. Jesus Christ, like the second spot, really up. We didn't get home until like 5 something in the morning. Today we're going to Love and Make or Lost and Found. But I think that's what they're both called. One is a brunch spot, one is a candle making spot, but whichever one the name goes to, that's what we're going to. We're going to go make candles at 1 o'clock. It is now 11:45. We woke up late and now we're gonna try to get ready. So really quickly because we need to be able to go.
And we have about, I believe, 80 plus fragrances. So you're gonna be doing a lot of exploring today. But your objective is to make 2 fragrance blends that you love, okay? Some people who like to teach this class say that 3 is the magic number, top, middle, bottom note. And 3 is what I have for my example today. If you want to go ahead and just blend 2, you can do that. Some people just like the 1 set. Perfectly fine, it'll be done before everyone else.
Okay, so we've mixed everything. We are now going to put our wicks on. Well, adjust it with time. I did one already. And now this is my smaller one. This is my H-Town Hottie one. Hottie, whatever. Here we go. No, it'll keep going. All of mine, I put my whole thing in. Okay, y'all, so that was fun. The candle class. My hair's... We'll fix it when we get back to the hotel, but other than that, the class was so much fun. They were so nice, and I can't wait to pick up our candles. They're gonna cure it and do something else to it so that it's like safe-proof. But I named mine H-Town Hottie, and then I named the other one him. We're heading to Starbucks now because we need something to drink. We're dying. We're dying over here. Good morning, everybody. It is March 6th, Monday, and it is 9:08 or 9:10 in the morning. I just snuck out the room because I need to go get balloons and a card and something else for my best friend. Today is her birthday, and we are getting her a surprise birthday situation. So I am in this workout outfit because I told her that I was going to go work out, which I am. I have to actually work out, so but she wants breakfast and stuff, so I figured I get her like something. We'll figure out the breakfast situation. I'm trying to be quick so that she doesn't get like suspicious or whatever. Oh fuck, we parked all the way down here. I hate that. So I have to be quick. Hopefully shit is open because it's 9 o'clock. And yeah, I wonder, do they have a party city down here? Like what is their party city? Because that would make my life fucking easier, because they'll just blow up the balloons for me. But if I can go somewhere else and they already have the, thing blown up, then that's great too. So best friend, when you see this, I want you to know that I love you so much. I'm so happy that I met you in high school, and bitch, ain't nobody else I would do this for. So I really hope you enjoyed your weekend. You leave today, but every day is a celebration. Even though we can't see each other and we're like miles apart, we're like literally in 2 different states on 2 different time zones. If you ever need to call me, you can call me. I'll always be there. If you need me to fly out anywhere, I'll drop a dime and see, how and when I can get there. So I really hope you enjoyed your birthday. I love you, love you, love you so much. Thank you for being a wonderful friend. And yeah, I hope you like the surprise that I'm about to give you. Hey beauties, so at this point, me and Kiamba surprised Deja with a birthday song and balloons and cake and flowers, and she literally could not contain herself, and I knew she was gonna be so happy. I can't play this clip because the sound is disoriented, but She loved her surprise so much. And yeah, that's it for this vlog.